Hello, Landria here, and welcome to Landria Onkka on YouTube or wherever you're watching this from. I wanted to announce that December 7th at 9 a.m. until noon, at least 2 hours, sometimes we go into 3, so it could be anywhere from 11 to noon Eastern Time, that's here in the United States time, a global webinar. It's $39.95, but I'm going to give you a code, No Limits, which will give you the price of $29.95 when you join me for Tap Into Magic. This is exciting. I want to get you ready for 2020 and beyond, because we're going into what I call the year of expansion. Actually, it's going to be an era of expansion. It's going to continue on. So if you haven't resolved all your issues or worked through things, it's time to do that. You can go in and purchase my other webinars, which are now recorded on my website. Take my Breakthrough Fear course. It's time to move past your fears, because I'm going to teach you how to tap into magic. All right, so use the code No Limits and join me December 7th. That's a Saturday at 9 a.m. for 3 hours. Now, if you don't make the live course, the master class is actually what it is. If you don't make it live, you will receive a recording of it within 24 hours afterwards, and other discounts and things that I'm going to offer you. All right, so get ready. We're going to tap into magic. What is that? I am going to show you actual practices that I use that help me to clear out any blocks, concerns, stress, things. Life gets in the way, right? Life, this is an intense planet. You're picking up on energy from everywhere, so it's very important to clear it out. And then we're going to tap into the magic. What is that? Your unlimited manifesting power. I'm going to give you multiple ways, practices to shift over into manifestation, into that unlimited thinking. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually practice them. I'm going to give you multiple ways for you to shift out of that limited thinking when that happens. So it's going to go way beyond the 3-second manifesting video you may have watched, where we take you from a negative thought to a positive one. We're going to go into that further, and I'm going to spend 2 to 3 hours with you talking about it, talking about where that's coming from, talking about where your blocks are coming from, and then we're going to talk about how to clear those out every time they show up, because your manifesting desires are not showing up because there's a block somewhere. And if they are showing up and you have expectations of how and when, you can actually block it from happening. It may have been manifesting, and then you lose your faith, and then all of a sudden it's not showing up when actually it would have. We do this all the time, we don't even realize, because we have all these human expectations, and those must be dissolved. We must put those aside. And that's faith. That's a tough one, because we want what we want, when we want it, how we want it. And usually it means now. So that's not how the world works, and I want to show you that you actually do control that. And so multiple ways for you to tap into your magic. These are practices to empower you, and I'm very excited about this one. December 7th, Saturday at 9 a.m. So go to LandriaOnkka.com. I'm going to have the link here where you can sign up for the master class. No Limits gets you a big discount. It'll take it down to $29.95, and then you get the recording and unlimited access to it. I'm not going to keep offering this, so take advantage of it now and get that discount. Spend those 3 hours with me. Use that recording over and over and over again till you get it in your mind and it just becomes second nature to you. And that's what I hope to supply in this amazing master class that I'm going to be doing live with you. And you can ask questions live. I actually interact with my audience, and we can talk about your personal issues, questions, whatever it is you want to discuss. So click Join me, sign up now. It is a limited seating webinar. I don't let a lot of people in there because I do want to interact. So I suggest you get on board, and you know what? You might want to purchase it as a gift for somebody else and get them in there too, to clear out and start manifesting amazing things. So I look forward to seeing you in the webinar and all the other amazing places that we're going to go to in the next year and beyond. Thanks for listening. Namaste.